Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and I just wanted to give you a glimpse of my kitchen because I am getting ready for Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is next week and my kitchen is always clean, but I was getting it ready by organizing this cabinet here and doing some other things. But this cabinet normally gets too messy and sometimes I can't find the lids that belong to certain containers. So what I did was I matched them up and I was able to fit even the new stuff in here. Like I got this from the Dollar Tree today and I got these from the Dollar Tree. But before I organized this was such a mess, and now it's a lot better. So on Thanksgiving, when I need something from here, I don't have to go crazy. And my brother comes over, so I usually give him some food to take, and I use these containers. So they'll just be ready for me to grab. And the ice bucket is ready to grab. So I'm glad that I did this now because I don't want to go crazy on Thanksgiving. So I already cleaned all this. I do have a little chef theme going on here. I have a placemat that I bought at the Dollar Tree a while ago, and then I bought this at the thrift store. I believe it was like about maybe $1.50. Beautiful piece. And this was from the Dollar Tree, but this was a while back that I bought this. So I'm saying I have a little theme going on with this chef because I bought this at the Dollar Tree today. And I have another chef here. Now this one I bought years ago at Bed Bath & Beyond. I don't know if there are any stores left, Bed Bath & Beyond, but I know that the one near me closed recently. So this is just beautiful, and I've had it there for so long. Then my granddaughter came over and made this. So this has been there for about 2 years. I haven't touched it. And I did go buy some donuts today, which I shouldn't have. I also posted a video. Usually I don't decorate the window for Thanksgiving, but since I had enough pieces to do it, I decided to do this. And I took a placemat from the Dollar Tree. I cut it in half to cover the ledge of the window because I think it needs a little bit of paint. I'll do that probably in the summertime. But I displayed all my little Thanksgiving items here just for this year. Then I have this breakfast nook here. I got this piece at a thrift store, and the story about this was that I sold an antique table to the man who owns this thrift store, and he paid me plus he gave me some credit, so I was able to pick this piece out. Very nice piece, and it just matches this table. These placemats are made out of wood. They are reversible. There's a lighter tone and a darker tone to them, and I bought them at the Christmas tree shop a long time ago for $12 each. So let's see, let's turn on the light. This is the way that looks when it's all lit up. Kitchen is ready for Thanksgiving. I still have to do some more things, and I'm still vacuuming. I also have to go down to the basement at some point and bring up all the Christmas items. So there will be a few videos on Christmas decorations. So I think this will be it. This will be it. I hope that you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.